Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resell tickets on Eventbrite. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to resell tickets on Eventbrite. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.eventbrite.com. If prompted, click on the login button and enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the Ticket tab at the top corner of the homepage to view the tickets you've purchased for events. Here you go. Click Tickets. From your ticket list, find and select the event for which you want to resell your tickets. I don't have a ticket here, but if you have tickets, you'll find them here. Click on the event name and open the event details page. On the event details page, look for your purchased tickets. You may need to navigate to a section labeled Your Tickets or similar. Click on the specific ticket you wish to resell. There may be an option labeled Transfer or Resell next to the ticket information. It could be Transfer or Resell, depending on your current update. If the event supports tickets resale, follow the prompts to initiate the resale process. You may be asked to enter the resale price and confirm the details of the tickets being sold. Before finalizing the resale, review the details, including the ticket price and any service fees that may apply. Ensure all information is correct and A-OK. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Confirm or Sell Ticket to complete the resale process. Your tickets will now be available for other attendees to purchase. Share your resale link via social media, email, or other platforms to attract buyers to your ticket listing. You may also want to check back periodically to monitor any interest in your ticket. Once a buyer purchases your ticket, Eventbrite will handle the transaction. You'll receive a notification about the sale, along with any payment details. Eventbrite will automatically transfer the ticket to the buyer's account. Ensure that the buyer receives their ticket and that you have access to any payment received. Note that not all events on Eventbrite allow for ticket resales. Ensure that the event you are reselling tickets for supports this feature. Be aware of any policies regarding ticket resale, including pricing limits and any associated fees. And if you have any issues during the resale process, consider reaching out to Eventbrite customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully resell tickets on the updated Eventbrite web app. So go over the tutorial from the top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.